Hello everyone, welcome back to day 5 in Learning Abacus with Fatima. Today we are going to learn subtraction using Abacus. There will also be a small task by the end of this video, so stay tuned till the end. If you haven't watched or missed watching any of my previous videos, kindly go to my channel and you can watch them. Do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out any updates related to Abacus. And before we start, let's have a quick recap. I'll be showing you a few flashcards, and those are 3-digit flashcards. So you have to look at the rods correctly, count the number of beads and tell me the answer. You don't need to write anything, you just have to give me the answer. Okay, let's start with the first one. Okay, in the ones place we have 5. Over here we have tens rod, we have 2 beads. In the hundreds rod we have only 1 bead. So the number is 125. Very nice. Next one. 3 beads in the hundreds, 2 beads in the tens, and this you should know the number. What number is this? In the ones place. So this is 3, 2, and this is 6. Correct, 326. The next one. In the hundreds house, this is 551. Correct. Next one. What is the answer? This is 500. 600, 700, 800 and 64. Okay. The next one. This is 991. Correct. Okay. Now something is missing here. So what should we do? 510. There's no number, so 510. The next one. Hundreds rod, 300. No number, so 0. 4. 304. Last one. 5. That is 570, and this is 0, so 570. Correct. So now you are able to read the 3-digit numbers using flashcards. Okay, let's start with today's lesson, subtraction. And the first step is zoom. Let's take the first question. 4 less 3. Less 3. The answer is 1. Next one. 9 less 3. Less 3. See, in the earth beads, when we do subtraction, the bead goes down. In the earth beads, subtraction, beads going down. Okay. So 9 less 3 is 6. Okay, let's take 8 less 5. Less 5. Now this is the heaven bead. Heaven bead, during subtraction, it goes up. The answer is 3. Okay, watch closely now. The tens rod, 40. 40 less 10. It's going down. The answer is 30. The next one. 80 less 50. The heaven bead goes up. The answer is 30. Okay, the hundreds house. 400 less 200. The answer is 200. 800 less 600. less 600. The answer is 200. Okay, did you understand this? When we add, the bead goes up, the earth bead goes up. When we subtract, the earth bead goes down. And same thing with the heaven beads. When we add, the heaven bead comes down, and when we subtract, the heaven bead goes up to the resting position. So this was pretty easy. Now let's do a little bit of challenging questions. Okay, and now here you have to use both the hands. So 23 less 10. Less 10 means only the tens house. So the answer is 13. 1 3. Next one, 34 less 22. So less 20 and less 2. So the answer is 12. The next one, 325. 325 less 110. So 1 and nothing from here because 110. So the answer is 215. 215. The next one, 41 less 31. Less 30 less 1. The answer is 10. Okay, the next one, 756. 756 less 505. 505. We are not touching the tens place. So the answer is 251. Correct? Okay, the next one, 589. 589 less 64. Less 60 less 4. The answer is 5. Not 2 here. 5. 525. The next one, 976. 976 less 325. So 325. The answer is 651. Now this is going to be an independent task. Let's see if you can do it by yourself. We'll check the questions once you are done. Okay. The first one, 638 less 525. 638 less 525. What is your answer? Less 500 less 25. Is your answer 113? Absolutely correct. The next one, 47 less 25. 47 less 25. 25. Is your answer 22? Correct. The next one, 867 less 250. 867 less 250. So less 200 and less 50. You're not touching this rod. So the answer is 617. Is your answer correct? Good. Next one, 784 less 201. 201. Is your answer 583? Well done. I hope you're clear with the concept of simple subtraction using Abacus. And this is the task for today. Write the answers in the comments below and I'll get back to you. If you have any doubts or queries related to this topic or previous topic, please message me. I will try my best to guide and explain you. In the next lesson, we will learn how to add single-digit numbers with the help of small families. Till then, stay in touch and see you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of Abacus with me. Do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.